Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
So evening, not saying.
Mr. Political Yamia Domingo, Mr. Political Zone, slow BB, and Yami slow BB down. First of all, the first thing make me the Mamu campaign for the capacity to Yamamu Pantami. First of all, Obama on the opening, to say Yamin when Yam for Kanye. Now would be majority, and not a would job would would damage. After all, would be job side check. After all, now Baba did this. Unipa na nyanto kwa yira temu. E madwa na da na man temu no nkuta bi ne bia na ko hye ne yam. Wanya mfei. Dia to so bie. Empelifo any Ghana people Moses wa mo ba mranto wa ne mabawa. Akrachefo any ngwabafo. Ye peni Ghana na baba be Ghana enimu a.
Ye day na obi Mesremo men starting ye bashade o. Ye day na obi. Cynthia. Obi eba. Na oto ade enimu no wantumi ante so eno di free office. Obi so ba ye no ade na ekọ soro no wabọ modern ma na ba form. O say ekọ soro last year ninti no wo de ye no ahye wutiri mu say even though say enne asesa sila wo de koba abroad yakoto aba e de atia bai. Ghana for mo hwe ni you especially ye ma no no. Especially ye ma no. Sa slave queens ni slave one girls we no mo de wo mo aye we ye tiri mu ane say ye be pe kwan ya o mo de be dey o mo de be ba be say Ghana because wo mo nkrofo a wo mo ne o mo be bo no ye politicians ya sebe to mean ka wo mo be man fan to wo mo na wo be ba be titi scam wo mo ne o mo adeda. Those are the politicians that these slave queens are asking for. But slave queen bia or pe Ghana ye no on kan kire wo se kona koto abana fama sankrofo bi. How do you tell me, like in the name of God, obi a utie mi bia wan kasa dwene hu pi na ka kire me say, how do you tell me say John Dramani Mahama is talking about debt? Now yen say your debt amene this was in July 2023. Now your debt at the 91% to GDP. Debt to GDP the 90 away 1%. Now and then fast forward in November or let's say in December, end of the year. Now your debt to GDP ratio no to me at the about 66.4%. Now obia or no na the debt to GDP ratio a car na no that 73% no to me for microphone. Journalist ya no eka kire journalist so omu metie no eka kire journalist now woman na esan ko omu hu ka say no Mr. President under your tenure it was this it went to this now it is this no omu mo gina ho na Mr. President no sensible journalism going on in Ghana. It is all for the show. Okoka yesekwesi wa no ya. But that is the fact. How do you tell me say Mahama time dollar started say Afrocosro no engineer stable for even 2 months. Utie dollar no engineer stable for even 2 months. Oh free so na dollar no so high. Now when you are buying for we are say aye gidigidi o share Russia Ukraine war a very big factor. O share coronavirus sika ye say ye ade. So definitely our currency was under attack. Don't forget to say these trading partners, Ghana, and I said this rating agencies, Ghana has been a target for them for a long time. Quite many Ghana economic dependency no onya. What you say? Quite bad the faswa Ghana person one can see the factories, no one can say producing in Yama, say cocoa and kebaba beje, and the aqua chocolate, the abroad, say Ghana 4% more be factories, nobody on the Amasadia. So we were fighting so many factors. But through it all, through all the things that Ghana went through, Ekoyama dollar, Goro boys, then Crawford now started on the 16, 15. Bank of Ghana said 13 years, they be on 13. You better on 15, you better on 16. na send the dollar na cost so no media dablako etumia bafom dollar na bafom whether you are NDC, whether you are MPP, whether you believe or you don't believe, the fact still remains that the dollar went up. We found a way to stabilize it and bring it down. And you still tell that president to say, oh, yeah, Your Excellency Nanado, posterity will judge Ghanaians when it comes to you. Because Yanumu be Yandan Susunhu, say Ghana, Sani with Kakra Sebe. Yetimi kura de den eto books edema Ghana for nkola edisua de na ye nim say Ghana ye wuska ye betumi de ama ye nurses and teachers training fo ya omo we ne ye nim na se wa be ye we ni na se Ghana fo se omo be oboni aya ye beja Ghana fo de amenyame beja wo mu ni na de amenyame because nyankopon ene beka wo wasama ma o bichiawo ewie baby awo your excellency na mechia the whiskey of Ghana politics, flag bearer of the MPP, Osnuku Krukwama Nuku, Ikua, Unye Nyansenina, Uwumua, and Chebiana Wawe Dania Frim, Ikua, se Ukukunye Duna Bedrenia, Osono, Nelso say, Madane, Afafranto, they say the yellow fever, and a medema, Osnuku Kruku, Ebusia, flag bearer, Your Excellency. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia dache hene a emfa ho ne de ankrofo bi beye ene nsem bi ankrofo bi beka de nyankopon ala aka afa sa papa we ho ne bebem enti se boye wadwene se ubetu ani e de si His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so a one wo how because de nyame atworo no bebem de nyame aka ne bebem enye de amo madwene eyemo ene de amumu susu yeyemo ene nyame ede ye adwuma nyame ohwe akomam nyame ohwe de nipa esutie na ode bibi ahye ne nsa His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia baby a wo biara chia winchie mu ode na me free me chia me ma me beki me chia wo na me chia the incoming first lady of Ghana the current who free party mo to me kote in the party and so kote movement to me dinya any amount of vote in Ghana. Alan killed his political career the day he said his own MPP is no action, talk only. Then he goes on the campaign trail, then he's mentioning about one district, one factory. At the end, I will say, Papa. I mean, I did a campaign. I say, Move the economy. Ono akoka so ni message wo monye hwe afa de wo kwa apro no e na one district one factory me na me di anim e na ya automobile industry afa de wo se wa yi bibi otan eni aduro Mr. Alan otan eni aduro now your biggest defeat is awaiting you. I promise you that. Mr. Alan Kwedu Chiremantin Chief, your biggest defeat is yet to come. Now, no amount of celebrity endorsement is going to do anything for you because those celebrities who are taking your money, they will vote against you. Mr. Alan, I want you to hear me clearly. Those same celebrities, they will vote against you. Mark it on any wall. They will vote against you. But on do sika no. Like in Crawford, do sika you do sika. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Mr. Alan, he be do sika. You go sit somewhere and you tell us, say, oh, please, no, quiz, nobody can block you. You go sit somewhere and tell us, say, what buying on your share? Then we go campaign, they are feed their projects now, buying at the buyer, who were to me a lead the course, no, no, they quack away. I don't know how they campaign. It shows how politically immature Alan is. Politically very, very immature. No, he's not matured politically. Some of us are at social media. We are more